Nike is set to expand its retro lineup with the Air Max DL 2.5 in a striking metallic gold and black colorway. Drawing inspiration from early 2000s mesh running models, the silhouette has resurfaced in popularity amid the industry's nostalgia-driven trends. The design features a shimmering metallic upper, synthetic overlays, copper-like mudguards, and golden-hued full-length Air Max cushioning, balanced by a sleek black foam and tread. This modern revival stays rooted in performance technology while emphasizing bold style for today's market. Official images showcase its eye-catching aesthetic, ensuring attention among sneaker enthusiasts. With its combination of heritage design and contemporary appeal, the Air Max DL 2.5 highlights Nike's ability to reintroduce classic innovations. Slated for release in December, the pair will retail for $190 and be available through Nike.com as well as select retailers worldwide, making it a sought-after edition for collectors.